Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So this tutorial is the continuation of how to convert SQL queries into Python pandas. So today's topic is get the employees who are also managers. So simple query I have written. So select e.employee id, e.employee name from employees e, join employees j on e.employee id equals to j.manager id. Okay, so basically I'm doing distinct here. So basically I'm doing self join here. Okay, then I am doing distinct to get the distinct employees. Okay, so let's see how to convert this one into Python. So here you can see this is our connection string, and in this employees data frame I am reading the SQL from this employees table. I am creating a connection and closing the connection. So after that, what I can write, we can write manager IDs. So first what I have to do, I need to get unique manager IDs. Okay, so what I need to do, from this data frame, okay, I need manager ID. So I'll write like manager ID dot manager ID dot, I need to drop the NA values, null values. Why? Here you can see, if I run this employees table, so here you can see employee ID 1 Alice Johnson does not have any manager. Okay, so this is a null value, so I need to remove this one, right? So that's why I'll write drop NA. So drop NA, I remove null values. Then what I need unique manager IDs. Okay, then I'll use unique function. It is kind of distinct in SQL. Okay, then so if our organization has 30 employees and among them there are 10 managers, so I need to check among those 30 employees who are the managers, right? So what I can write, managers, I am creating another data frame, equals to, from this employees data frame, so from this employees data frame, what I need employee ID. So in between all those employee ID are managers ID are there, right? So I'll write employee ID. Employee ID. So employee ID. So suppose there are 30 employee ID. So in this 30 employee ID, total employees are 30. In between dot is in. Okay, I'll use dot is in function. I need which one I need manager IDs. Okay, I'll put manager ID. So what it is doing, so it is checking if there are 30 employees, and it is checking these unique employee IDs are there or not, are here or not. Okay, so after that I do not need all those, there are 5-6 columns, I do not need 5-6 columns, I need only 2 columns, employee ID and employee name. So what I can write, employee ID and employee name. Okay, then if I print this one, managers, so here you can see these are my managers, these are my employees who are also managers. So if I run here you can see the same. Okay, so like this you can convert SQL queries into Python pandas. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends, support my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.